Well, after her comment against the judiciary led to a massive uproar, Mamata Banerjee has defended herself by stating that she was misunderstood. But far from an apology, Mamata has offered an open dare by stating she would repeat what she said 1,000 times. And Mamata's move coming after a petition was filed against her in the Supreme Court. Will Mamata be held in contempt remains to be seen.
First, she took over everybody by surprise by attacking the judiciary. And now she's not just defending her charge that court verdicts can be bought, but also daring to repeat it.
মামলা করেছেন আমি খুব খুশি তো আমি তো সেদিনকে বিধানসভায় যাব আর বিধানসভায় বলেছি আমি ভাত খাই আর আমি ভাত দুটো কথার মধ্যে তফাৎ আছে যেটা আমাদের দেশে এখনো পর্যন্ত ঘাটতি আছে সেটা বলা কি অপরাধ যদি সেটা বলা অপরাধ হয় একবার নয় হাজারবার বলবো
Mamata Banerjee's latest comment only fueling the debate. But some leading legal voices believe she can't be charged for contempt.
Well, if it was not contempt the first time she said it, if she says it 1,000 times, it still will not be contempt.
But that's not the only voice, as a petition against Mamata has already been filed in the Supreme Court.
No such sweeping general allegation should ever be made. If you have proof of somebody, you please produce it. The person must be prosecuted and the culprit brought to justice. But to make that one pillar of the entire democracy, the entire judiciary, that everybody is corrupt, is a very, very wrong thing to do.
A question of propriety is also being raised against the West Bengal Chief Minister.
You don't get up in a seminar as the Chief Minister of a state and make a sweeping statement.
But her main political rivals in her state, the left, refusing to be drawn in the debate.
We think the judiciary in our country is competent enough to handle the situation. They'll give their answer, and there's no need for anybody else to intervene in that.
Her two sensational remarks on the judiciary have now snowballed into a massive controversy. And the institution that she has taken on is yet to give its view. Bureau Report, Times Now.